In this tutorial video, we will guide you through the process of activating add-ons and licenses for the SupportCandy Premium version. Follow these step-by-step instructions to seamlessly enhance your support capabilities. Begin by installing the free version of SupportCandy from your WordPress plugin section. Navigate to the plugins section, search for SupportCandy, and then install and activate it. Once activated, you'll notice the addition of the support menu in your WordPress dashboard. Next, visit supportcandy.net and go to the My Account section. Log in using your registered email credentials. Once logged in, locate your license key in the My Account section. Additionally, navigate to View Details and Downloads to access the required add-ons. Click on View Details and Downloads, scroll down to the Product section, and download the necessary add-ons. Head back to the My Account section on supportcandy.net to access your license key. Click on View License, then select the key icon to reveal your license key. Return to your WordPress site. In the Plugins section, click on Add New Plugin. Upload the previously downloaded add-ons, then proceed to install and activate them. Return to your WordPress site, go to the SupportCandy plugin, and navigate to the Licenses tab. Insert your license key and activate it to unlock the premium features associated with the add-ons.